gotta for me. No do, say no do, shakara, oh, eh. No do, gotta for me, oh, eh.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is another haul. I'm bringing hauls to y'all back, because I'm just spending coins. Nowadays, when it's with COVID outside, you don't really have nothing to do, so I'm just spending money, which I really need to stop now that I'm thinking about it. Like, I am in the process of trying to buy my first property. Yay! Which I'll be like kind of just vlogging that journey of buying my first property. I don't want to say a lot because, you know, haters be out there wishing your bad on you, but yeah, hopefully it happens. I'm not gonna say hopefully, it will happen. Speak positivity in the atmosphere always, but I digress. So back to the video. This is a haul video, you guys. This one is for Pretty Little Thing and Shoe Dazzle. So I got some things from Shoe Dazzle, which they're Poppington, and I also got a few things from Pretty Little Thing. So without further ado, let's get started on the haul. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. But this outfit that you're seeing, I posted a cute picture in it with some of the Shoe Dazzle shoes that you will see. I'm gonna post a picture right here so you guys can see as well. Cute outfit. People thought it was a dress, but it was actually a two-piece. The skirt is by itself and the top is by itself, so you don't even gotta get it together if you really don't want it. Yeah, but I actually like this a lot. The material is thin, it's not heavy. I love the color. It's something different. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and I like to try different things. One of my friends said I look like a birthday cake, and I was like, yes, eat me up, period. So the next thing is these cute pants. I'm returning these pants. They fit me. I just had a love-hate relationship with them. Like, I thought they were gonna be more on a skinny jean side, but it gives the illusion of it's supposed to be skinny jean, but it gives me boot cut because of the slit. I don't really like boot cut jeans, and I didn't really like the style of it in person. So maybe if I would have gotten it in a smaller size, because it fit me, but it still has space to go. Like, I could have went a size down. I could went from 18 to probably like a 16. Like, it would have worked. But yeah, that's going back. Okay, so this is a it's not a top. I want y'all to think it's a top. It's not a top. It's actually a lingerie set that I got, and I think it was only like together, the set was only like 12 bucks. But it's like, why not purchase it? It's cheap, it's cute. I wore it for my man's a few nights ago, and he was like, but anyways. So yeah, it's cute. Why not? Like, I feel like women, we are such powerful beings. Like, why not show off your curves? And why not feel sexy in the bedroom? Why not spice it up? Do your thing. Never feel uncomfortable around your man or your mate or your woman, whatever you have. But yeah. Oh my god, hot mess coming. Like, this outfit did not work at all. But I love this so much. Like, I love the material. I love how pretty it looked. I feel like it would have been a hit if it actually fit me. Yeah, so next. So the next dress is this pretty like green sagey mini dress. In some of the outfits you're gonna see that I have my waist trainer on, but it's because I've been waist training, so some of the outfits have it on. But yeah, it's really cute. I like the little design at the bottom that make it look like it's a corset dress, but it's not. Yeah, I didn't mind it. Like, I really like this outfit. It was not ugly to me. I decided I'm keeping this one. It's really pretty. This pink dress is really different and pretty. I liked this dress at first, but then after my little sister talked about it and how she thought it was like a childish baby doll dress, I was like, I can see where she's getting that idea from. Yeah, so this dress is definitely going back. Okay, so let's get started on the Shoe Dazzle items I bought. So one of the shoes that I bought is this one. Look at that cool little wedge. What I'm gonna tell you right now is, if you don't wear heels a lot, which I don't, this was interesting to walk on. I feel like I was walking on stilts. I thought a wedge is supposed to feel more comfortable, but I guess because it's more of a skinnier wedge, it just made me feel like I was walking on stilts. This is very hard to walk in, but I love it. I got this in a size, that is in a size 12, thank God, but it fit like a glove. I thought it was gonna be too tiny, but it actually feels really perfect. Yeah, I love this shoe. Next shoe that I got was this, one of my favorites. I've been wanting one of these shoes for the longest, but I haven't been able to get it because every website that I go on, it's only up to a size 10, because you know, girls with 11, 12, 13, 14, they don't matter in other stores, and that's, hopefully I could change that. But I'm so happy that Shoe Dazzle is more inclusive with shoes like these and like cool trendy shoes that they go up to a size, well, this one was actually a size 15, and I'm assuming it's a 15 because I'm not a size 15, y'all, but I'm assuming it's a size 15 because of the fact that nowadays these type of shoes run really, really small, because this size 15 was too big, but it wasn't big, it was like 1 inch too big. So I should have got a 14, but the 14, the 13, the 12, everything was sold out except for the 15. And I said, fuck that, I'm getting this shoe, because all the other colors was already sold out. So yeah, it's not that bad. It's really easy to walk to with the platform. I like it a lot. It's cute too. It does look kind of big sometimes when I wear it because it is a 15, but I think it's not really a 15, I think it's like a 13, but because it runs small, they have so many size ranges. Yeah, but this is one of my favorite shoes. So you guys, that is it for this haul. I did not get any jewelry with my hauls. I only got like some suits and some shoes and 2 pairs of shoes, not a lot. But yeah, y'all tell me some of your favorite places to shop for, like shoes or swimsuits, because I need some new places. Yeah, so bye. Thank you for watching.